Okay. Even the sun goes down. Heroes eventually die. Horoscopes often lie, and sometimes why. Nothing is for show, nothing is for certain. Nothing lasts forever, but until they close the curtain. It's him and I, Aquim and I.
Okay guys, we got that area completed up there. We got the wall sprayed down as best as we could without damaging the plants and also not getting dirt into the pool. The next area that we're going to clean is this squares right here and over here. Now let me tell you this, we're not going to use chemicals on the pre-treatment, we're just going to use it on the post-treatment. This area is not really that dirty, so we just want to make sure that we get everything up, get it white as possible. So keep in mind that you cannot avoid getting any kind of trash in the pool, so hopefully that they're not having anything today, or they can probably have to clean it out a little bit. But try to keep the dirt and stuff out of the pool to a minimum. So what I'm gonna do now is just go ahead and clean this area right here and probably some of that area, and then we're gonna come back and then rinse it down and probably do a post-treatment. I'm gonna go ahead and get started in the pool area. I'm gonna start with surface cleaning, then work our way to the one. Just notice this is turf, it's not grass. All right, that looks good. All right, I'm gonna hit this little section over here, and then we're gonna get over to that side. There was a little area underneath the stairs of concrete, so I had to get that clean. Here's this little area again. All right, I got all the pool area clean. I'm not too sure about these squares. I'm gonna try the turbo nozzle on them or something. Did not lighten it up or anything. I think they're just a dark color stone. All right, we're gonna try to clean these stones with the turbo nozzle. All right, guys, I did the post treatment. It's starting to dry up and stuff like that. I do have my rust remover right here. I'm spraying a couple of these areas right here. I don't know if it's gonna really come up, but we're gonna spray them. I think it's like maybe 2 or 3 areas over here that I need to spray, because this did not come up right here. I don't know if it's some type of, I don't know if it's some type of concrete or something that was splashed up like that, but it's not coming out. I have like red dirt right here. Just hitting a few areas. Right now, I don't see a lot of this red stuff coming up, but we're gonna try it. It's really nothing over here. This came out pretty good. And like I said, this is pretty much completed over here. This, you see how this area is dry, how white it is. I did a post treatment over here. So this is the final product. Let me show you this back side over here. This should be pretty dry over here too. There you go. It's clean. Little water still here. But yeah, this is looking pretty good. I was just going around. Here go this little area right here I cleaned. I don't know if you can see it. It was just a lot of dust and stuff over it. So it was not a really serious cleaning or anything like that. So I just sprayed it down a little bit to get it a little clean. Some red dirt right here. Let's see. And with this little spray bottle, you know, I can just fill it up. Just don't need a bit bottle or anything like that. And this right here will take care of any kind of areas that I need to get. Let me look at the stairs over here. These don't look too bad. I don't really see nothing red over here. Just spray the little corners and stuff. Right here. I'm not gonna spray the wall because I don't want no chemicals on the plants and stuff. Like I said, I did treat this. I don't see it fading or anything like that. Let's go back over here, look at the first part. But all these squares right here are clean. Like I said, this was turf, so I thought it was grass. It faded a little bit, not much. I guess it had to fade over time and stuff. I've been having this rust remover for a couple of years now, so I don't know if it loses strength or anything like that, but I do have it. Okay, so this is the pool deck. This was a post treatment on here too. It's starting to dry. All that area is dry. I pretty much got everything taken care of, from the stairs, the wall, this little area right here. And like I said, it's just wet because I was just trying to see the drainage. I don't really see, it's not too bad, but I don't think they expect to get too wet underneath here and stuff with rain. But it's gonna dry a little bit slower than the rest of this, but it should end up looking like this when it finished drying. The pool itself, it's a little dirt and stuff in it. I guess let it stay running and stuff like that. Probably, you know, put some treatment or something in it. I said it'd be clear completely in like another couple of days. But this is done. You don't have to worry about getting no more dirt and stuff in it. So that's a good thing. Okay, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Ooh, it's starting to get warm out here. I hope that you found this video entertaining. If not, at least I hope that you learned something from it. If you didn't, go back and look at the video because you skipped over the good parts. Once again, if you subscribe to the channel, thank you for subscribing. And if you're new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know my next video comes out. This is Marcos from Equipment Pressure Washing, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
It's him and I, Equipment.